Every one of the 2019 Toyota Avalons are liberally furnished from the manufacturing plant with great highlights. Its sportier goals don't totally persuade us. Esteem disapproved of customers definitely realize that vehicles like the Toyota Avalon are preferable arrangements over hybrids. For $36,395, the 2019 Toyota Avalon XLE is furnished with 17-inch wheels, a moonroof, engineered calfskin upholstery, a 7.0-inch driver data show, 5 USB ports, control highlights, dynamic wellbeing frameworks, secured above, and a 9.0-inch touchscreen for infotainment with Apple CarPlay similarity and Bluetooth network. That is great fundamental gear and great incentive for the since quite a while ago legged vehicle. Not at all like extravagance brands, Toyota doesn't make accessible numerous spinned-up choices outside of the Avalon's trim levels, extravagance disapproved of XLE and Limited, or game-sided XSE and Touring. We rate the Avalon a 8 for highlights. Completely stacked Avalon Touring models cost $43,095 and offer premium sound from JBL, Root, engineered calfskin upholstery with softened cowhide embeds, a warmed controlling wheel, warmed and cooled front seats, warm back seats, a head-up show, 19-inch wheels, and versatile dampers. It's an extravagance auto without the identification, or the swelled cost. However, we hold back before making it our best single out the parcel. Avalon Touring models aren't accessible with crossover powertrains, which cost $1,000 above gas-fueled XLE, XSE, and Limited forms. That is a little spend for much better mileage. Visiting models likewise are outfitted with a game-tuned fumes and motor emission sound rider that doesn't make the Avalon quicker, simply unnecessarily louder. Our sweet spot is the limited trim level that begins at $42,695, $43,695 for the hybrid limited, and highlights genuine wood inside, 18-inch wheels, JBL premium sound, warmed and cooled front seats, worn back seats, cowhide upholstery, and less forceful bodywork that fits with the Avalon's main goal. We wouldn't resent customers from selecting base trims either.